The drone note is the long, low note you just heard me play. I'll play it again for you. I'll be using this beginner didgeridoo to teach you the techniques for achieving the drone note. The drone is produced by buzzing your lips. Buzzing your lips without the instrument looks like this. Once again, it looks like this. On the instrument, it sounds like this. Once again, like this. Let me show you by taking the instrument off of my mouth while I'm playing. Practice this a few times. If you're lucky, that's all you're going to have to do to learn how to play the drone note. Otherwise, we're just going to have to practice a little bit. Now, if you find yourself getting lightheaded, stop. We're not circular breathing yet, so you still have to remember to inhale. Stop for a couple of minutes even. Let yourself recover and start the lesson again. Now, one more time, the didgeridoo removed from my mouth. Now then, if you're having trouble creating that drone note, a couple of different things might be happening. You might be blowing too hard, too fast. That's going to sound like this. Now, if you're blowing like that, your lips are too tight. You're blowing too hard. Loosen your lips and allow the buzz to slow down. That's going to look like this. Once again, slowing down the buzz, I'll be loosening my lips and relaxing my jaw. On the instrument, it's going to sound like this. One more time. Can you hear how it locks in? Try and feel for that as you're loosening your lips. That's going to be how fast your lips need to buzz to create the drone. Now, on the other end of it, if your lips are too loose, you're not going to be buzzing them at all. That's going to sound like this. On the instrument, that's going to sound like this. Your lips are too loose. Tighten your lips and try to create the drone from the loose lips. I'm tightening my lips now until the drone locks in. One more time. Without the instrument, that's going to look like this. See how I'm closing my jaw and tightening my lips. Okay. Another problem you may be having is air escaping from the corner of your mouth. If you're not creating a nice tight seal on the mouthpiece, you're not going to create much of a drone note. If you're having problems with escaping air, you can try to tighten the corners of your mouth. That's going to look like this. Once you've tightened your lips, try blowing. Try blowing fast and slow. On the didgeridoo, tightening the corners of your mouth is going to look like this. Once again, tightening the corners of your mouth will look like this. Once you've done that, blow, and see if you can't get the drone note. Now, depending on the kind of instrument that you have, you may find that you need to rotate the mouthpiece as well. Put the mouthpiece against your mouth, like this, and rotate it until you feel a comfortable pressure against your mouth. This is going to help create a seal on your mouth as well. Rotating the didgeridoo on your mouth will look like this. Rotate in small increments and try blowing. Remember to keep the sides of your mouth closed so that air does not escape.